it's the 9th of September 2020 and we have Raappavuorenkuja. It's Raappavuorenkuja's Gränden 6 staircase bay here. And we're also gonna go to the staircase A here. There's and we are in Martinlaakso, modernized in Länsi-Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Vantaa, and Husky's Coast region, Finland. It was built in 1973, it's turning 50 years old in 2023, it will be inspected in the next year, 2022. As you remember, SH 29314 in 6 floors. And stopping now, but it's out in MP6 type. And it's bottom reduction.
Yeah.
It's slow, but it's still amazing. And also the Kone the logo here, a rare one.
Yeah.
But this is actually it's not the biggest version that we have seen, but we've seen a bigger version also. I think it was in Vantaa. I'm not sure, but somewhere we saw it and filmed it.
Yeah. Spektiitpä kiva jos teetpä Suomi hissirakoja.
Yeah, it is possible it was in Vappala where we found the biggest version of it.
Yeah.
We're going back to the first floor now. You can see the door on the first floor, so it's on the main floor. Of course, with the alarm bell. That's it, and thank you for watching.
That's